feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Top 5 Best Wi-Fi Extenders for Large Homes. 1. Netgear Nighthawk X6S. Best for high performance. 2. TP-Link RE650. Best for long range. 3. Linksys RE7000. Compact and efficient. 4. Netgear X3700. Budget-friendly option. 5. D-Link DAP 1650. Best for ease of use and installation. Each of these extenders offers robust performance, extended range, and user-friendly features, making them suitable choices for enhancing Wi-Fi coverage in large homes.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.